Guys, welcome to my channel World History. Today is the 3rd February. I will share the history of world held on 3rd February. I request you to please watch the full video. Please do not skip in the middle. This video contains more of general knowledge. So please watch the full video and I request you to please share your comments to improve my channel. So come, let us start the history of world on 3rd February. In 1451, Sultan Muhammad II inherits the throne of Ottoman Empire. In 1488, Bartolomeu Dias of Portugal lands in Mossel Bay after rounding the Cape of Good Hope, becoming the first non-European to travel so far south. In 1509, the Portuguese Navy defeats a joint fleet of the Ottoman Empire, the Republic of Venice, the Sultan of Gujarat, the Mamluk Burji Sultan of Egypt, the Zomorin of Calicut, and the Republic of Ragusa at the Battle of Diu in Diu, India. In 1661, Maratha forces under Chhatrapati Shivaji defeats the Mughal in the Battle of Amberkand in India. In 1690, the colony of Massachusetts issued the first paper money in the Americas. In 1781, American Revolutionary War, British forces seizes the Dutch-owned Caribbean island Saint Eustatius. In 1783, Spain and United States relationship are established. In 1809, the Treaty Illinois is created by the 10th United States Congress. In 1813, Jose de San Martin defeats a Spanish royalist army at the Battle of San Lorenzo, part of Argentina War of Independence. In 1830, the London Protocol of 1830 establishes the full independence and sovereignty of Greece from the Ottoman Empire as the final result of the Greek War of Independence. In 1870, the 15th Amendment of the United States Constitution is ratified, guaranteeing voting rights to male citizens regardless to race. In 1913, 16th Amendment Bill of the United States Congress is ratified, authorizing the federal government to impose and collect an income tax. In 1916, the center block of the Parliament buildings at Ottawa, Ontario, Canada burns down with the loss of 7 lives. In 1917, in the First World War, the American entry into begins with diplomatic relations with Germany are severed due to its unresisted submarine warfare. In 1918, the Twin Peaks Tunnel in San Francisco, California begins service as the longest streetcar tunnel in the world at 11,920 feet, means 3,633 meters long. In 1933, Adolf Hitler announced that the expansion Lebanese drawn into Eastern Europe and its ruthless Germanization are the ultimate geopolitical of Third Reich foreign policy. In 1944, in World War II, during the Gilbert and Marshall Island campaign, U.S. Army and Marine Forces seized Kwajalein Atoll from the defending Japanese garrison. In 1945, in World War II, as part of Operation Thunderclap, 1,000 B-70s of the 8th Air Force bomb Berlin, a raid which kills between 2,500 to 3,000 and dehouses another 120,000. In 1945, in World War II, the US and the United States and the Philippines Commonwealth began a month-long battle to retake Manila from Japan. In 1958, founding of the Benelux Economic Union, getting a testing ground for a later European Economic Community. In 1959, rock and roll musicians Buddy Holly, Richie Valens, and J.P. the Big Booper Richardson are killed in a plane crash near Clear Lake, Lava. In 1960, the British Prime Minister Harold Macmillan speaks of a wind of change, signaling that his government was likely to support decolorization. In 1966, the South Union's Luna 9 became the first spacecraft to make a soft landing on the moon and the first spacecraft to take pictures from the surface of the moon. In 1972, the first day of the 7-day 1972 Iraq blizzard, which would kill at least 4,000 people, making it the deadliest snowstorm in history. In 1984, Space Shuttle program STS-41B is launched using Space Shuttle Challenger. In 1994, Space Shuttle program STS-60 is launched, carrying Sergei Krikalev, the first Russian cosmonaut to fly aboard the shuttle. In 1995, astronaut Eileen Collins became the first woman to pilot the Space Shuttle. A mission STS-63 gets underway from Kennedy Space Center in Florida. In 1998, Cavalli's Cable Car disaster, a US military pilot causes the death of 20 people when his low-flying plane cuts the cable of a cable car near Trento, Italy. In 2007, a Baghdad market bombing kills at least 135 people and injures 339. In 2014, 2 people are shot and killed and 29 students are taken hostage at a high school in Moscow. This is the short history of world held on 3rd February. Come, let us know which famous person was born on 3rd February. In 1428, Palaeologia, Queen of Cyprus, was born. In 1478, Edward Stafford, 3rd Duke of Buckingham, was born. In 1747, Samuel Osgood, American soldier, politician, and first U.S. Postmaster General, was born. In 1757, Joseph Forlenz, Italian ophthalmologist and surgeon, was born. In 1790, Gideon Mantell, English scientist, was born. In 1795, Antonio Jose de Sucre, second president of Bolivia, was born. In 1867, Charles Henry Turner, American biologist, educator, and zoologist, was born. In 1892, Juan Negrin, Spanish physician and 67th Prime Minister of Spain, was born. This is the short history of world of 3rd February. I request you please share this video in your all groups, in your WhatsApp groups, Instagram groups, Facebook groups, and if you are watching this video first time, I request you to please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to receive my notification. So I request you to be active, be healthy, and be happy. Thank you.